Okay, so for this question, we have to find the exact value for the following trig function, given that sine alpha is 3 over 5. It's between 0 alpha pi over 2. And cosine beta goes like a 2 over 3. It's between pi over 2, beta, pi. And you want to find tan alpha is beta, right? It's between 0, it's greater than 0, but it's less than pi over 2, so it's in the first quadrant. And for this, it's greater than pi over 2, so it's greater than this, but it's less than pi, so it's in the second quadrant. If you draw the triangle, it would just be opposite hypotenuse, and it's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so it's 4. For this, it's adjacent, which is -2, hypotenuse is 3. If we do the Pythagorean theorem formula, it'd just be -2 squared, which is 4 plus b squared equals c squared, which is the hypotenuse squared is just 9. Subtract 4 and square root 5, so b is just square root 5. And yeah, you want to find tan alpha, tan beta. So this is just tan alpha minus tan beta, right? Beta over 1 plus the sign changes, tan alpha times tan beta, right? So tan alpha is opposite over adjacent, so it's 3, 4 minus tan beta, which is opposite over adjacent, negative square root 5 over 2. And this turns into positive, so ignore the negative here. If we multiply both sides, this term by 2 to get the common denominator, you get 3 over 4 plus 2 square root 5. For this, tan alpha is 3 over 4 times negative 5 over 2, which is negative 3 over 5 over 8. And 1 is just 8 over 8 so we can get common denominator. So it's just 8 minus 3, 5 over 8 square root 5. And you divide this by 2, 5 over 4. Okay, so let's bring this over here. 3 plus 2, handwriting is kind of bad. 3 plus 2 square root 5 over 4. Then we flip the fraction, so it becomes times 8 for 8 minus 3 square root 5. Turns into 2. So 2 times 3 plus 2 square root 5 over 8 minus 3 square root 5. Right. This should be d2, so it's 6 plus 4 square root 5 over 8 minus 3 square root 5. We can further simplify this. We can multiply both sides by the conjugate, the denominator. So 8 plus 3 square root 5. 8 plus 3 square root 5. We can FOIL this, so it becomes 48 plus 18 square root 5 plus 32 square root 5, 2 times 5, which is 60 over, this is 64 plus 8 times 3 times square root 5, so these two just cancel out. We need to multiply these two together, so it's actually negative, so it's negative 9 times 5, which is 35. If we simplify the numerator, it becomes 48 times 60 is 108, plus, add these two together, 32 plus 48 is 50, right? 50 square root 5 over 64 minus 35, which is 19, right? 64, 35 5, 9, 2. Is it 29? Wait, 64, 35. Sorry. 5, 9, 29, right? Wait, did I do this wrong? It's 9 times 5. Oh, it's 45, not 35. So it's 19. Here comes 19.